Now we come to the call flow for the mobile terminated call in the case of 3G. Suppose this fixed telephone is calling this user equipment. So the call of this fixed telephony user would first go to the gateway MSC, and the gateway MSC would then check with the HLR what is the current MSC location of this user equipment. So then the gateway MSC would route this call to the corresponding MSC, and then the MSC would instruct the RNC to page the user equipment. So RNC would page all the node Bs that are there in the location area of this user equipment, and then when this user equipment is paged, this user equipment would respond to the RNC, and then a bidirectional connection between the user equipment and RNC would be established. And once this bidirectional connection is established, through this connection, a bidirectional connection between the user equipment and the MSC would be established. And then MSC would authenticate this user, or in other words, this MSC would verify whether it is a genuine user equipment or not. And the MSC would authenticate this user equipment using the authentication center that is there in the HLR. And once this user equipment is authenticated, then MSC would send the ringing tone to this user equipment. And so the user of this mobile would start hearing the ringing tone. And this ringing tone would also be sent back to the gateway MSC, and from the gateway MSC it would be sent to this user. And once the user of the mobile picks up the phone, then the bidirectional call between the user equipment and this telephone would be established.